Okay, in this lesson, we're going to work with that die, that black image that we saved, which is the mat for this image. So we've stamped this on a different colored paper, and so what I want to do is scan that in. Or actually, what I'm going to I'm not going to scan it in. I'm going to go to my patterns, because what I'm actually doing is pulling in that die, and going to my saved data, to my USB. And as you can remember, that was number 62, so that's right here. And I'm going to say OK. So now, zoom in on the screen so you can see it. So as you can see, I have that shape here now. But what I want to do is cut it out of that paper that's on my mat. The way for me to know exactly where to place that is this one here. That's a background scan. So I'm going to click on that and hit scan. It's going to scan in my image. Okay, and you can faintly see it right here. Now you can go into your wrench and change your background to a darker one if you can't see it very well. And now you can see it even a little bit better. Okay, so then I'll take this and I'll move it over on top and try and line it up as good as I can. And then I'll go into the edit screen. And I can go into this zoom, and that's 200% and then 400%. Okay, I had to switch cameras because my battery was going dead, so things may look a little different. But back here we are zoomed in at 400%, and you can see my flower here. And what I'll do is I will move this so that it lines up better around my flower, just like that. Now you'll see over here on this edge, in order to get these here, it's coming over. So what I'm going to need to do is rotate it just a tad bit. So I'll go into this adjustment here, into the rotation, and I'm going to go ahead and rotate it maybe 2 degrees. And we'll see how that works. And you just kind of have to play with this when you're doing this. And we'll go back out to 4. And it's getting better, but I still need to come, I think, a little bit over. Well, that looks good. Okay, so then I could say OK and cut it out. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken that piece that we've saved and made it cut out right around that image. So that's what you can do with that.